students, see the children playing in the park. What they are doing? They are playing energetically and happily. From where do they got energy? They get energy from the food they eat. See children, what these cows are doing? They are eating grass. They are getting energy from the grass. Today we are going to learn about the topic energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. We need energy to do our daily activities. We get this energy from the food. In science, energy is defined as the capacity to do work. Energy is defined as the capacity to do work. The unit of energy is joule. J-O-U-L-E, joule. Different forms of energy. We do many works in our daily life. Many of them are done physically. Some works are done with the help of instruments and devices. But they need energy to work. There are different forms of energy like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, wind energy. Come on students, let us study about them one by one. Mechanical energy. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C-A-L, mechanical energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. The energy possessed by an object due to its position is called mechanical energy. Due to its position. Two types of mechanical energy are kinetic energy. K-I-N-E-T-I-C, kinetic energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, kinetic energy. Potential energy. P-O-T-E-N-T-I-A-L, potential energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, potential energy. Kinetic energy. Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. It is also known as energy of motion. Motion means movement. K-I-N-E-T-I-C, kinetic energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Examples. Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. It is also known as energy of motion. Example, a moving car.
Cricket ball bowled by a player. Bullet coming out of a gun.
Potential energy. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as potential energy. It is also known as stored energy of position. Examples. Object lifted above possess potential energy. Stone in the stretched rubber. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as potential energy. Example, water stored in a dam. Uses of mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is used to do many works. Let's see one by one. Mechanical energy of the hammer is used to apply a force on a nail.
In hydroelectric plants, kinetic energy of water is converted into electrical energy. Windmills convert kinetic energy of winds into electrical energy. Mechanical energy can bring a moving body to rest and make a body at rest to move.
Wind energy, W-I-N-D, wind energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, wind energy. Energy possessed by the wind is known as wind energy. What is wind, students? Moving air is called wind. Wind is the moving air and is caused by differences in air pressure within our atmosphere. Uses of wind energy.
Windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Ships sail by the power of wind. Sports like windsurfing, sailing, kite surfing use wind energy. Wind energy can be used for pumping water. Children, do you know Tamil Nadu stands first in generating electricity from windmills. Windmills are located in places like RL Vaimori, Kayattaru and Kudimangalam.
Heat energy, H-E-A-T, heat energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, heat energy. Rub your hands together, students. What do you feel in your hand? Do you feel the heat generated by friction? Yes, rubbing of two things together produce heat energy. Friction, F-R-I-C-T-I-O-N, friction. What is friction, students? Friction is a force between the surfaces that are sliding or trying to slide across each other. For example, when you try to push a book along the floor, friction makes this difficult. Friction always works in the direction opposite to the direction in which the object is moving or trying to move. Burning of matchstick. See children, I am burning this matchsticks. It will liberate heat energy. When the temperature of a substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy. The energy is known as heat energy or thermal energy. T-H-E-R-M-A-L, thermal. Thermal means heat. The energy flows from a hot substance to a cold substance. Temperature, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature, the degree of heat present in a substance. The instrument used for measuring temperature is thermometer, T-H-E-R-M-O-M-E-T-E-R, thermometer. See children, this is clinical thermometer. It is used to measure body temperature. The SI unit to measure the temperature is Kelvin, K-E-L-V-I-N, Kelvin. Atom. An atom is the smallest unit of ordinary matter that forms a chemical element. Molecules. 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 A molecule is defined as two or more atoms of the same element or different element that are bound together. Heat is the total energy of the molecules in a body. Students, do you know sun is the primary source of heat energy? Come on students, let's do some activity. Pour water in the glass tumbler. Add some lime powder. Lime. Lime. Lime powder means சுண்ணாம்பு தூள். Mix it well with the help of glass rod. If you are touching and seeing the tumbler means you will feel hot. So, heat energy is produced by friction and by chemical reaction. Ice cubes. If we put some ice cubes into water in a glass, water becomes cold. It is because heat is transferred from water to ice. Take two glass tumbler. One glass tumbler you have to take cold water. Another glass tumbler you have to take hot water. See children, this is hot water. This is cold water. Now I am going to add ink. See what happens. Hot water I am adding ink drops. To the cold water I am adding ink drops. See children, in hot water the molecules vibrate fastly when compared to cold water. Ink mix with water fastly in hot water when compared to cold water. Here the particle vibrates fastly because it has lot of energy. The particle vibrates slowly and it has less amount of energy. Uses of heat energy.
Uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from power stations is used to generate electricity. Heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. Hard substances like iron are heated to mold them into different shapes.
We cook food with the help of heat energy. Heat energy renders the food soft and easy to digest. Heat is used to dry clothes and other wet substances. Light energy. L-I-G-H-T. Light energy. Children, can you able to see any object without light? No. We can able to see the things only with the help of light. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see all the objects. Sources of light. We are getting light from sun, fireflies, bulb, star, etc. Light is a form of energy which travels in the form of wave. It contains a particle called photon, which are the minute packets of energy. What is photon, students? Photon means a particle representing quantum of light or other electromagnetic radiation. It is the only form of energy visible to human eye. Light does not require any medium to travel. Light travels at a speed of 3 lakh km per second. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. Children, do you know study of light is known as optics. O-P-T-I-C-S, optics. Burning of candle is an example of light energy as well as it gives small amount of heat energy. Uses of light energy.
We are able to see objects with the help of light energy. With the help of light energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. Electricity can be produced with the help of light energy.
Plants use light energy to synthesize their food.
Today we learn about mechanical energy. Two types of mechanical energy are kinetic energy and potential energy. Wind energy, heat energy, light energy.